keep talking about the halfway house. I think we should go up there and take a look at it up close so you can see what we're talking about here. Truman's looking for balls. Okay, he got himself stuck around some immovable little bush. There we go. Come on, Truman, let's go. Let's go look at the halfway house. Some bathrooms. And here we go. It's not all that interesting. There's a manual on the wall that never used to be, but now you can get vitamin water. That's pretty woke. You can get canned rosé, Snickers, Milky Way, veggies and dip. That'd be hard to do. That'd be hard to do playing golf. Anyway, enough of that. So Truman, let's see what we can find up here. One thing I have found is, so this is the tee, the back tee for the big hitters, and sometimes I find balls right in the tall grass, which isn't too tall right now, behind the tee box. The tee. Now, how does that work? I mean, you're talking some serious backspin to get it to come back here, because I don't believe the balls just fall out of your bag. Though it's possible. Anyway, Truman what's he doing now? Hey Truman, what do you see in there? That's all wet, gross. Maybe you do well in the duck marsh. Huh. Anyway, let's keep walking. Come on, Truman. Come on, come on. Look at that, he just blends right in. Camo dog. Okay, we walked through here on one of our recent trips. And I don't know if we found any balls, but the way they keep popping up, we may find one today. Even though we've walked here. Let's see. Truman is perched out of this stuff. And I'm coming out. Still no balls here. Slim pickings. He loves to go up on top of the hill so he can see what's up there. And then he sits. I mean, come on, that's a great looking dog. What are you studying, Truman? This, by the way, is a neat trap. It hadn't been fixed season, but it's a nice shape. Whoa, 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 whoa. And here's another one, just in case, you know, you didn't go in this trap, you can go in that trap. But since people tend to hit them into the rough, some doggy's been in here. Okay, that's all for now, my phone's ringing.